How long I've been waiting for this. Woo, I'm about to make a name for myself, yeah.
Y'all, I want to hit that Chase play so bad right now, bro. I'm seeing people, my close friends, going up 20, 30K, running it up on Chase. I see somebody just hit 90K on Twitter, but I just know if I hit that play, God gonna use me to be the example.
Get your money quick, simple, and easy. And I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that. This video is not for promoting this illegal activity. You know, this is just for information only, informative only. I do not encourage or advise anybody to do this. I'm just here to break down what's going on right now. So this is a new thing called the Chase Bank free money glitch that's been going viral recently.
Hey, Chase is hitting so good today. It's my first time going to Benihana. I never would have thought my broke ass would ever be here. But guess what? Chase didn't have a patch for their update. Hello.
So I'm here to break it down to y'all basically how they're doing it. It's real simple. It's as easy as how the Cash App infinite money glitch was. I don't know if you'll remember when Cash App, all you had to do was put an amount, how much you want, and just add money to your Cash App. It wasn't gonna take no money from your bank or nothing. People was adding like $40,000, getting rich. But guess what? Cash App came back and wanted their money back. Which is what's happening in this situation. But don't be scared. I'm gonna break it down to you just in case you want to do it. But I'm not saying do it, don't do it. This Chase money glitches, somebody discovered they had written a check for themselves and put it in their bank account on the ATM. So usually at ATM, when you put a check in the ATM, it takes like a couple of days for them to validate the check so the money can be in your account. So somehow with Chase, I don't know what glitch happened in the system. Somebody just deposited a check and the money was available right away. You say what? You telling me right now I can go write a check from Chase Bank, put $1 million, even though I ain't got $1 million, write $1 million on a check, deposit it in an ATM, check my account right away. I'ma have $1 million in my bank account? Shit, nigga, let me go try it. Let me go try. It's that simple, y'all. So people basically was writing checks to themselves, going to a Chase ATM. I don't know if it's a Chase ATM or is it any ATM, but basically writing a check for themselves, go to an ATM, cash that check into the ATM, then boom, you got your bread. It's that simple. By easy money, there's not always good money, man. The faster you get it, the faster they're gonna get that shit back. And sometimes, the faster you get it, the faster you go to jail. So Chase Bank released a statement when this was happening. He said, we are aware of this incident and it's being addressed regardless of what you see online. Depositing a fraudulent check and withdrawing the funds from your account is fraud, plain and simple. They were depositing a check, a fraudulent check to their bank, knowing that you got your information tied to that bank account and you're depositing a fraudulent check. They know who you are, so you gotta think about that too if you're thinking about doing it. So hey, if you're gonna try to do this shit, you might wanna get a different account or some shit. Hey, no, I'm not condoning. This is just entertainment. I do jokes here. This is gonna be the fun channel, my nigga. We just do jokes. We do jokes while breaking the news. You know, try to make entertainment out of this. But this is a very serious, illegal topic right here. Do not try to do it. I do not condone this behavior. You know what I'm saying? But, you know, you deposit a check and you withdraw the funds right away. Then you got your big old stack. You're looking like Kodak Black, you know, all them rappers, you know. You winning in life, you know. You can go ahead to Lenox Mall, buy yourself some Gucci, Prada, Louis, you know. You made it in life. Go buy your new Hellcat for them young niggas. What, $60,000 check, cash it in to Chase, boom. Withdraw the $60,000 out of your bank and go buy yourself a Hellcat, cash. Buy a Hellcat, cash. You ain't gotta worry about no payments, man. All you gotta do is write yourself a check for $60,000, deposit it in a Chase bank account on an ATM, and you can withdraw that money right away and go to the dealership and buy yourself a Hellcat, red eye. So just to let you know what you're dealing with here, any target financial interest, if you do any type of fraud against any financial institution, it can carry up to a prison sentence of 30 years and a fine of $1 million. But guess what though? The way you can bypass that is by writing a $1 million check to yourself and withdrawing that $1 million. So you will have money to pay for that fine. But being on a serious note though, you can get 30 years in prison and get fined $1 million. Yeah, so you gotta be, hey, if you gonna do this shit, you gotta know what you're dealing with here. You know what I'm saying? Also, any type of wire fraud is a federal crime that carries up to 20 years imprisonment and fines up to $250,000 for individuals. Nah, bro. I don't know about you. I don't wanna go to no prison. I don't know if you've seen this video. This one dude talking about he gonna hand you a knife and make you fight for your ass.
I might come in your cell. I got 2 knives. I slide you one, say, nigga, fight for your ass.
Nah, I'm cool. I don't want those problems, bro. So, if y'all gonna do this Chase thing, y'all do it yourselves. Chase is coming back and basically asking for their money back. And these are some victims that have been victimized. I wouldn't even say victims, but this is some young dudes that got caught slipping. Chase is asking for their money back.
What is my life? What is my life? Why do I have 11,000 missing from my bank account? Is this like humorous to you guys? Like, is it a kiki ha 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 moment for y'all, bro? I work very hard for my money. Tell me why I check my bank account after I hear about this Chevy Chase whatever. I'm missing 11,000 from my Chase account. My nigga, I don't know whether to feel sad or to feel mad, bro. I'm in shock right now, bro. I have goosebumps like all over my body. Like I don't know what to feel, bro. Is this how a crash out starts? Like I dead want to drive my car through a goddamn McDonald's and.
So I've been up all night, right? Because of this Chase glitch, right? These motherfuckers talked me into putting a whole $998,000 on my shit. Look. So as y'all can see, this is what happened. All right. So the day came, right? This day came. And I've been up all morning for this shit, right? And it came. I got the money out. But tell me why I got the money out. I got like 5 phone calls, right? I didn't know who they were from, and I don't got voicemail, so I didn't pick up. And when I signed up for Chase, right, I didn't use my apartment number. I used the one below me, and tell me why. There was literally like 5 or 6 officers down there knocking on the door, asking for them. I was like, oh, no. That's why I'm walking right now. I'm trying to get away from that shit. I had to act cool and stuff, boy. Hey, don't play with them people, boy.
This is the result of it. We got people owing up to $31,000. Just give me my money. Just give me my money. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no clapping this time. You're going to be like, you know that challenge where they be like, give me my money, and they clap? Nobody's clapping when it's your turn to pay that money back. So be careful of what you ask for because Chase is not playing. But damn, this bank's got to do a better job of protecting this money, man. How you going to have this type of glitch?
$13,000 a month. What more do you want from me? Oh my God. Oh my.